The real estate and financing industries generate enormous volumes of complex data every day. Transforming this information into meaningful insights is essential for faster decision-making and improved business performance. Organizations often struggle to analyze large, unstructured datasets spread across multiple sources. Traditional analysis methods are time-consuming, limiting the ability to generate insights quickly and efficiently. To address these challenges, Blackoffer developed an AI-driven data analysis tool powered by Langchain, enabling users to interact with enterprise data using natural language and receive intelligent, actionable insights. The platform connects to multiple data sources, processes structured and unstructured information using Langchain and large language models, and allows users to ask questions in natural language while generating real-time analytical insights and reports. AI-powered data analysis. Langchain-based intelligent workflows. Natural language query interface. Multi-source data integration. Automated insight generation. Scalable enterprise AI platform. The solution accelerates data analysis, improves decision-making, reduces manual effort, and empowers business teams to uncover valuable insights without requiring advanced technical expertise.